Hi everyone, welcome to Digital Expert. Many of you ask me how do I select stocks and what is my criteria for stock selection. So today I thought let's do a video on how to find these stocks. So today we are going to use the FYERS screener to find multi-bagger stocks. For those who do not know, FYERS is a very good platform for trade and the screener is too helpful for finding these trades. So let's discuss how you can use it effectively to find good trades or for swing trading and for long-term investing. So first let's log into the FYERS platform. So here I've already opened the FYERS platform. So let's go to the Discover section. So we have opened the Discover section and now let's go to the screeners. So here we have opened the screeners bar. So when you look to the screener section, you can see that many kinds of screens like breakout movers, momentum screens, breakout contrarian, candlesticks and technicals. So these are the screens which are used for equity screening. So first let's find stocks for swing trading using these screens. So the screens we are going to use are market movers, momentum, breakout, contrarian, candlesticks and technicals. So before moving on to that, if you look here, you can see the trending screeners which are used in the FYERS. These are like for options and this is for like swing trading, intraday spouts and intraday drops. And this screener, range high breakout with volume, this is also used for swing trading, which we will discuss later in the video. First, let's find stocks for swing trading using these screeners. So in swing trading, the goal is to capitalize on momentum and breakout and reversals. So let's look into different strategies using these screeners. First, for the swing trading, let's use momentum screeners. So this is the momentum screener. So if you look at the momentum screener, you can see like 7 screens under the momentum screener. So momentum is like stocks with strong sustained directional trends. So first, before moving on to each screen, you need to know what each screen means and the significance of these screens. So let me explain that first before moving on to the screens. The first one is the daily volume shocker. So which highlights the stocks with unusually high trading volumes compared to the average. So this screener is useful for identifying early signs of momentum or large investor interest. The second one is a top volume gainers. So this highlights stocks with the highest increase in traded volume, the relative change, which is great for spotting stocks with strong momentum. The third one is the most active contracts by value. So which identifies high value trades, especially in highly liquid or popular stocks, which is best for spotting high volume opportunities in futures and options. The fourth one here is the higher highs for 2 days, which is identifies stocks making consistent upward moves for over the last 2 days. So which indicates a positive momentum and a potential breakouts. The fifth one here is the lower lows for 2 days, which is the opposite of the higher highs, indicating there is the bearish momentum. This screener is used for finding bearish stocks. This is useful for short selling opportunities or avoiding weak stocks. The sixth one is the close highs for 2 days. This highlights stocks closing near the high points for the 2 consecutive days. This suggests the sustained bullish pressure and the potential continuous patterns. The seventh one is the close low for 2 days, which highlights stocks closing near their low points for the 2 consecutive days. So this indicates sustained bearish pressure. So let's start with the volume based screener. So basically volume is the key to confirming momentum. So let's go to the volume daily shocker screener, daily volume shocker. screener. So look for stocks where the current volume is at least, so the current volume is at least double x the average daily volume, and prioritize the stocks where the price has increased 2 to 5% alongside the volume shock. So here we can see like 4 stocks. There is five stocks you can see in this screener. So that has six stocks actually. That has good volume. The volume change is high, and the price change has increased like 2 to 5 times, 2 to 5% of the volume. The price has changed like 2 to 5% alongside the volume. So let's add some columns to these screener, like 52-week high of the stock and 52-week high percentage change. So let's go here. So these are the columns that are used here. So 52-week high and 52-week high percentage change. Let's add that. So if we look at this stock, the 52-week high is 592, and the percentage change from the 52-week high to the current price of the stock is 19%. So there is this opportunity for a swing trading. What we can do is let's open the stock. So once you open the stock, you can see that this is a small cap stock. This is just an example. This is a small cap stocks, and here you can see the shareholding pattern of the stocks and the technicals, the price change, the open high, lows, the previous close, average prices, the volume that was traded today, the 52-week highs and lows, and the price moments, the percentage change, daily change, weekly change, monthly, yearly, everything is available here. And if you look at the summary, the FYERS has given a technical analysis. They have given a sell call for this stock. Here you can see the fundamentals and ratios, the market cap, EPS, face value, price to earnings ratio. So if you need, you can just click this and see the full financials like balance sheets, profit and loss, cash flows, and all the key ratios of the stock. If you look here, you can also see the related news, the news related to these stocks and the companies similar, that competitors. So basically all you need is a FYERS platform to find all the key ratios and balance sheet and all the information about the stocks. So let's go back to the screen, and you can check the data for. So basically using this screener, you can find the high volume stocks and the percentage change, and you can use this for swing trading. All you need to do is, once you find the stock, you have to go to the stock and also see the technicals and fundamentals of the stock and the news related to the stock before doing the trades. You can check the data for other stocks as well. I won't be able to explain all the screens, but similarly you can check out these screens like intraday sprout, where you can spot the intraday trade. So once you open the screener, the intraday drops, you can, this is just stocks from Nifty 500. You can go to the universe section, equity, stocks, all stocks, apply. So you can see all the stocks in the NSE and BSE here. So you can even classify the stocks depending on their market caps, and the even the sector of the stocks is available here. If you click the plus button here, There are many options to add. Also check out the screen, range high breakout with volume. So in this screen, there are stocks that are trading higher with a significant volume. So if you can see that 1 month highs, 1 month lows, the volume, these stocks have heavy volume happening in the trades, and 1 week volume average is also written. So if you are looking for stocks with high volumes for the trade, this screen would be really good. Here if you look in the end, there is a candlestick pattern screen. So here they identify the trend candlestick patterns, and so in the candlestick screen, the best options are the bullish engulfing pattern, the morning star. Always use tools like moving averages, RSI, and Bollinger Bands to confirm the potential breakout zones. And always check the volume of the stocks you're going to trade. So all of these are available in FYERS when you open the stock chart. So let's see. Let's go and find. Okay, let's look at the stock. And if you go here, you can. There are lots of options for Fibonacci series, the patterns, long positions. So everything is available here for trends. So before we wrap up, let's talk about the margin trading facility of FYERS. So margin trading facility is a service that allows you to buy shares by only paying a part of the total value upfront, called the initial margin. The remaining amount is funded by FYERS. So for instance, if you want to purchase shares of a company with forex leverage, so worth 4 lakhs, but you only have 1 lakh. So in this case, FYERS will fund the remaining 3 lakh, allowing you to complete the purchase. So the interest will be charged on the borrowed amount of 3 lakhs at 18% per annum. So which translates to 50 rupees per lakh per day. So the interest on the margin trading facility funding will be levied from settlements to settlement. So the MTF positions can be made in FYERS through GTT, as well as the MTF limit is up to 25 lakhs. So the margin trading facility positions can be tracked in the positions tab. In other brokers, it shows in the CNC holdings, which may confuse users between long-term holdings and short-term MTF positions. The risk management functionalities like the smart exit and the exit all open positions apply for the MTF positions as well. So that's it for today, and I will give the link for the FYERS screener in the description and the pinned comment. So if you like this video, do comment below, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.